Alright, so this video is going to be a little different compared to the tutorials and gear review that I sometimes do, even though I don't upload that often, but I've decided to combine everything, basically just about me, into the whole channel. Everything that I like, my hobbies, and just hopefully some of it can reminisce with you as well. But today we're gonna open up this Pokemon Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Elite Trainer box. I grew up watching Pokemon, playing the games, and even collecting the cards. I still have my old school base set collection, so this is the newest set that came out some time ago, fairly recently. So like I said, this is going to be completely different kind of video than what I usually post on here, but I've just wanted to just kind of have a little more fun. And yeah, so usually these boxes they come with some packs, as you can see here. I don't really have this whole setup yet, but first, in the box is this little booklet, and it tells you what cards, and holy smokes, Pokemon has really gone up since back in the day. There are some crazy looking cards now, full arts, trainer classes, or trainer cards, rainbow rares, interesting, and these gold cards. I think the most expensive is this Giovanni card, Boss's Orders. So those are the cards that you want to get if you are into Pokemon. What is this? This is new. Oh, a little rule book. That's interesting. You don't need that. You have your little dividers, some energy cards. You get sleeves to protect your cards. A little code for online gameplay if you play the trading card game online, and these are for physical play. Some dice and little markers. Not too interested in those. Each Elite Trainer box comes with 8 packs, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs. So tilt the camera down a little bit. As you can see, I have my handy tripod thing, a speaker, and some cameras. That's a film camera, and my Michelangelo there in the background. So the way we'll open up this one normal, but here's another online code. I don't know if you want to play. So we're just gonna do this normal. So this is what happens when you usually open up a pack. Why is it not focusing? Galarian Farfetch, Galarian Meowth. Too close, I guess. This is a reverse holo card, and then this is the rare card. This is just a regular rare, is what they call them. Just you got your energies, and then some other cards, and then that code card would have been behind it. So there is a trick. So when you open up a pack, you turn it around, take 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, and put them to the front of the pack. My hand looks huge. And then you turn around. Here is the energy card. And this way the second to last card will be that reverse holo card, and then in the back will be the rare card. Phantup. Love Phantup. So this is the Sun and Moon, no, Sword and Shield, like the new game that came out. So these are the new cards for that. Applin and Hatterini. And this is like the old school holo cards from back in the day. Obviously, those older cards that are holos are, you know, collector's items now, since they're released in like the 90s. Now they don't really go for a whole lot these days. Then we got Litwick. I love Litwick. Shinx, Roly-Coly, Garbodor reverse holo, and Aegislash regular rare. So nothing too fancy yet. This position I'm in is very uncomfortable. So we got Fighting, that's the Fighting Energy. Morgrim, crazy looking dude. Training Court, Timpole, Volibee, Galarian Corsola, Toxel, Mr. Mime, Galarian, Barboach reverse holo, and a Ninetales. Just a Kanto region Ninetales. And we are just about halfway. This will be the halfway point of the packs. Bronzong, Milo, Applin, Hatenna, Magikarp, Meditite, Stunky, Growlithe reverse holo, and a Greedent, a big ol' chubby squirrel. Psychic Energy, Pelipper, Speed Energy, Metapod, that's a cool card. Voltorb again, Sandygast, Vulpix, Coughing, Shinx, reverse holo Voltorb. Why do we get like 3 of those in here? And a Scizor regular rare. Oh snap. There better be something good in this card, in this box. It's always a gamble when you get something like this. Lampent, Medicham, Beware, Bunnelby, Phantup, I love Phantup, Dreepy, Galarian Farfetch, Honedge, Coughing reverse holo, and a Garbodor regular rare. Oh snap, one more pack. This may have been a huge waste of money. Three, 4. Send it to the back and flip it around. Morgrim, Medicham, Pokeball, Snover, Natu, Trubbish, Bidove, Helioptile, Heliolisk, reverse holo, please be something, and an Elgigas V card. So this one's pretty cool. But at least we did get something out of all of these packs. Let me know what you think, because this video is very different from what I should be posting. But coming up next will be actually a pretty cool little video about this little guy. This is a little tiny light. Woo. So hello, this will be coming up for those budget video creators. So leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in this video. See ya.